Hello, this is Claire at French in the Midlands. Bonjour, Claire at French in the Midlands. I'm going to give you a follow-up to the first video I made about speak faster, sound more French. So if you remember, I gave you some snippets of sentences and how we actually shorten them when we speak. Well, this is the same sort of thing but on a more advanced level and with whole sentences. So let's have a look. Just a reminder, in order to sound more French in speech, shorten everything. So you will clip your vowel sounds whenever possible, remove the ne from the negative, and link words together very fast. So let's have a look. So, unlike the previous one, what I've done this time is provided the short and the normal version with the translation. First one, t'as mal où, which is short for tu as mal où, where do you ache? There's this joke going around in French circles where when you're over the age of 60, everybody's name should be t'as mal où because they meet each other and they go, oh, how are you? Oh, well, I ache here and I ache there. And so that's the joke that's going around. So if you don't understand that, you're going to kind of miss the whole thing. So remember, t'as mal où. My favorite, yaka. Il n'y a qu'à. It actually means we'll just have to or you'll just have to, but it's very, very familiar. Of course, you've got the negative of that. Y'a pas. Il n'y a qu'à pas. Makes it sound very strange, but that's how we speak. It actually means you or we shouldn't. C'est quoi ça? Like this one. C'est quoi ça? What's that? You will hear children use it mostly, or it's something you would use with the element of surprise. If you find something somewhere you're not expecting it, you go, c'est quoi ça? And that's fairly normal. Let's have a look at some more. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a? You will hear this all the time. It's short for qu'est-ce qu'il y a, which means what's up or what's wrong. Same sort of thing, qu'est-ce t'as is qu'est-ce que tu as, so it's more what's up with you or what's wrong with you. So when we were in the playground and the child used to cry, we used to go up to them and say qu'est-ce que tu as, but you could also say qu'est-ce qu'il y a, it's fine. Qu'est-ce tu fais? Short for qu'est-ce que tu fais? What are you doing or what do you do? This is more for parents to use. As you know, when you have small children and you don't hear them for a while, you go, qu'est-ce que tu fais? And actually you'd say, qu'est-ce tu fais? Because you're quite stressed and you'll speak a lot faster. The last one I chose is a little phrase that you'll hear a lot, ça se fait pas. Short for, ça ne se fait pas. It's not on. Again, it's probably something you'd tell a child. And you will hear all these quite a lot if you pay attention. You may have completely missed them so far because you weren't expecting the contraction to be this extreme. But pay attention and let me know if I've missed any and if you want me to add any to the list. And that's it for now. Leave a comment below if you enjoyed this video, if you want any more like this one. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any. And for more information, check out our website frenchinthemidlands.com. À bientôt!